Hello students, last time we discussed the standard deviation of ungrouped data and we take the various formula at the various different conditions में when the value of observations is very small, then the mean is in a fractions, all types of different. Today we will discuss the standard deviation of discrete frequency distribution. Standard deviation for of discrete frequency. Today we will discuss the discrete frequency distribution. Now, discrete frequency distribution, we will discuss the discrete frequency distribution. Let's start with discrete frequency distributions. We know very well the discrete frequency distributions that a finite value and the observation is repeated how many number of times. It shows the in discrete frequency distribution is simple, we can say the xi and the fi is given. The value of observations and fi, that's a frequency which shows the number of observation is repeated how many times. Now see the x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and the frequency is 1373, 13731. Now to find the discrete frequency, to standard deviation of discrete frequency distribution, first we know the formula S is equal to or x bar is equal to summation fi xi upon n. So first we find the fi xi. Okay. Now fi xi is equal to 0 into 1. 0 into 1, that's a 0. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 7, 14. 3 into 3, 9. And 4 into 1, 4. Now to find the standard deviation, so first we will check the mean is a fraction or integer. So 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 9, 26, 26 plus 4, 30. That is the submission fi xi. Now the frequency 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. 15. 6 plus 7, 13, 14, 15. So the submission fi xi upon n. So submission fi xi is equal to 30 or divided by n. N is equal to 50. So the mean is equal to n x bar is equal to 2 and it's a integers. So we can find with the help deviation from mean. Deviation from mean x minus x bar. Then fi into x minus x bar or x minus x bar square and fi into xi minus x bar square. So first we find the x minus x bar, it means deviation from mean. See the xi is 0 and the mean is equal to 2. Here the x bar is equal to 2. So 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Now see the x minus x bar square. It means the square of deviation from mean. 2 to the 4, 1 1 the 1, 0, 1 and it's a 4. And then fi xi square. So fi multiply कर लेंगे frequency से 1 into 4. तो ये हो गया 4. 3 into 1, 3 1 जा 3. 7 into 0, 7. 3 into 1, 3. And 1 into 4, that's a 4. Now that's a very simple. We know the formula summation fi into bracket xi minus x bar square divided by n. So summation fi into bracket xi minus x bar whole square, that's a 14. The answer is 14. Divided by n, that's the number of observation. So 14 divided by 15, that's 0.9333 is equal to 0.9661. It's the standard deviation. So we can say the approximately 0.9667 whatever the unit, यहाँ पे जो unit है, यहाँ पे days है, लीटर, किलोमीटर, whatever, we apply the in standard deviation. Standard deviation of discrete frequency distribution is not a very tough, it's a very simple. Now we take one more example of for the shortcut method. तो डिस्क्रीट फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चेक कर लेते हो, वो है हमारा शॉर्टकट मेथड. x is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. And the frequency means number of days. Fi is equal to 2, 5, 8, 12, 2, 5, 8, 12, 7, 1. So first we find the mean, or to find the mean we have to find the Fix. But suppose you have to find the by shortcut method. So approximate means तुम्हें यहाँ पे d assume करना होगा, यानी कि assume mean is equal to कुछ भी assume कर सकते हैं. So di is equal to xi minus a, and here a is equal to, here the a is equal to approximate middle value हम ले सकते हैं 7 or 8 whatever, but for the 8 है highest frequency है, so 8 के सामने वो कंसीडर कर रहा हूँ. Let's start the di is equal to xi minus a, x is equal to 5 minus 8, that's a minus 3, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, then 9 minus 1, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8. So now to find the standard deviation with the help of shortcut method, first we have the knowledge of summation fi di square divided by n minus summation fi di upon n into whole square. So to find the fi di, we have the value of fi di, so that is the fi di and fi di square. So sometimes students make mistake to find the fi di square. What happens? They get the square of fi di, that is called fi di whole square. And fi di square, that means fi di into di, that is called fi di square. So keep in mind, ये चीज mistake नहीं होनी चाहिए. Sometimes students make mistake to find the fi di square and fi di whole square. That is the difference between fi di square and fi di whole square. So let's see. First fi di, तो ये fi di means multiply 2 into minus, that's minus 6, 5 into 2 minus 10, 8 into 1 minus 8, 0, 7 minus 7, 1 to the 2. So the fi di is equal to the value of fi di. The value of fi di is negative 10 plus 16, 16 plus 8, 24, minus 24 and 9. The difference is minus 15. Now fi di square. Again repeat कर रहा हूँ, that's not a square of fi di. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 30 means 36. This is the wrong. But fi di into di, that is called fi di square. Exactly what happened? Fi into di square. So first we have to get the di square or multiply with fi, or we can multiply the fi di into di. So keep in mind. Otherwise you have another option, get the di square. So minus 3 into minus 3, 9, 9 into 2, so 9 to the 18. And then second thing is minus 3 or minus 6, 3, 6, 3 the 18, minus minus plus, both will be same. दोनों के आंसर सेम होने वाला है. 10 to the 20, 8 1 the 8, then 0, 7 1 the 7, 2 to the 4. So the 20 plus 18 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4. That's a 57. Now, to find the mean from shortcut method, so x bar is equal to a plus submission fi di upon n. So a is equal to 8 plus submission fi di. Submission fi di is minus 15 divided by n. So n is equal to 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 16 plus 9 26 हो रही है 35. So total हो रहा है हमारा 35. Now minus 15 divided by 35. So we can cancel this value. Minus 15. So that's 8 minus. Here the minus plus minus minus 15 divided by 35. That's 0.426. 0.4286. So the answer is 7.5714. That is the x bar. The value of x bar is equal to 7.5714. And now the standard deviation is equal to standard deviation by shortcut method. See the submission FIDI square 57 divided by 35 minus submission FIDI upon n whole square. It means the d bar whole square we can say. And it's a minus 15. FIDI is a minus 15 divided by 35 whole square. And we know the value of FIDI upon n is equal to 0.4286. So get the square of 0.4286. Calcium is 0.4286 into 0.4286. तुम्हारा जो भी आंसर है वो मीन्स वहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड करना है. 1837 आ रहा है. 1.6282 minus 0.1837. So the answer is 1.449 and the standard deviation is equal to 1.2020. यानी कि s is equal to 1.20. That is the answer, and that's a very simple. So do the maximum practice from the exercise, from the practice book or extra जो भी references तुम्हारे पास है, and that is for a standard deviation of discrete frequency distribution. And then the next topic जो भी हमारा है वो है standard deviation for continuous frequency distribution, and it's also very important topic. So in our next video or in our next lecture we will discuss the standard deviation for the continuous frequency distribution. So thank you.